Hello and good evening. I am here today creating a screencast, practicing a screencast for education class, the class specifically being, do you say what you are? Courses. Education 301. I'm going to share one of my personal favorite websites, which has, it might be most people's also, I don't care that my virus protection has expired. It's probably also a lot of other people's favorite website, Pinterest. Now, I like Pinterest for a lot of reasons, mainly because it's kind of image-based. So, based on interest and things that you like and look at on Pinterest, you can find links to all kinds of articles and ideas for any kind of thing really at all. I know one of the main things that I use Pinterest for is for workout ideas. When I was dieting, haircuts, I get inspiration for nails. Let's actually look some. So I like certain nails. So some ideas for nails, if I wanted to go to the nail salon. You can also find some useful education tips too. When I worked in daycare, I used this a lot to help me come up with ideas for crafts and bulletin boards and gifts for parents. So let's do this. Valentine's Day toddler crafts. And there are a bunch of ideas that you could get for that. And it's all image-based and pictures because I know I like that because I'm a visual learner. So you could really look up like any odd thing and probably find something for it on Pinterest and find pictures of it, images of it, or some images close to it. So that's one thing why I like Pinterest. So if I also wanted to, I'm an avid reader. So if I wanted some good book recommendations, let's see, what book did I really recently like? I really like fantasy novels. So fantasy books to read. 13 fantastic fantasy trilogies, fantastic books to read in 2022. You know, that's actually a good idea to look up. Let's do that. Books to read in 2023. Now, 23 great book club books to read in 2023. 15 most empowering books for women. 10 books to read before you die. There's some really cute things in here. So the best new book releases January 2023. Let's see here. Let's do. That was a good one. Let's do this. So let's see here. We have this here that I want to look at. I want to see books to read for 2023. If I click, usually you can go to you click the image, and then there are usually links embedded on the post, and it'll take you to where I can find these books. So, Book Club Books 2023. Hello, beautiful. There's one. The Bandit Queens. Look at that. A good for a girl. There's that. But I also used Pinterest for, back in the day, was also for, I used it to help me figure out aesthetic for my wedding. I used it to help me figure out crafts and bulletin boards for classrooms back when I taught not second grade, 2-year-olds, and I used it a lot for hairstyles when I would go to the hair salon to get my hair cut if I wanted a new look. There you have it, Pinterest. Easy, simple, The end.